Okay, I want to educate some people out there. So, I just had someone tell me that these Falcon Wild Peak tires are the worst tire you can buy, and the best thing they ever did was return them because they crack, they blow out, they're junk. Okay? Now, I've had the AT3s, two sets of those. I averaged about 58 to 60,000 miles with them. These are the AT4Ws. They're 35, 11, 50, 20. Got them on my Super Duty. These have 20,000 miles on them. I've gone on 2,000 mile trips. I've towed 15,000 pounds with these tires. I've never had any issues with them, either one, the AT3s or these AT4Ws. What I see people do is they buy these all-terrain tires and they air the damn things up to the maximum amount of pressure or close to it, or sometimes over, because they want to get the best fuel economy. Why do you want to do that? Okay, for one, it's going to ride like shit. Okay, and it's going to put more stress on this tire, going over potholes, going over whatever terrain, banging around. You don't do that. Okay, these rear tires, this tire in general is rated for 80 psi. The rears I run at 58, the fronts are at 62. They wear the best wet way, they ride way better. That's just that's using you're setting up your tires correctly for what you're doing with that tire, how you're using your vehicle. I've towed 14,000 pounds with these tires, over 1,000 miles. I've driven thousands of miles on trips with these tires, had them off road in the snow, had them in the sand and dirt and mud. They work great. I don't have any issues with them. I never had any issues with them. But I have seen people have issues with tires blowing out, and it's because they're running them at too high a PSI. Okay? Don't do that. Thousands of off-road enthusiasts use these Falcon Wild Peak tires, and they love the tire. Okay? The place I bought these tires, okay, was Big Snatch Off-Road in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Okay? Kenny, the owner there, recommended these tires to me 5 years ago, and I've loved them ever since. He puts them on, he sells thousands of these tires, and they love them. So just set your equipment up how it's supposed to be operated. Just because it says 80 psi on a tire doesn't mean you air it up to 80 psi. Don't be a fool. And then come in here and talk foolishness, okay? All right, I'm done ranting. Anyway, take that for what it is.